Hola amigos, I'm the Spanish chef Omar Allibhoy, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a fantastic chicken paella. Paella for us in Spain is more than just a dish, it's like a Sunday roast. It brings all the family at the table together. That is why it deserves to be eaten with a really good Barón de Ley Rioja Reserva. So let's get into it. This is Spain's most iconic dish for a reason, and it's not the pan that it's cooked on, but what I've just tasted. Barón de Ley's Reserva's subtle and fresh fruit blends seamlessly with the natural intense flavors of the paella. Give it a try. Salud!